one family.
So I'm done, and I know I did this without saying anything because I was watching TV and because I had nothing to say, but anyway, I followed the instructions. It was pretty simple. Some people in the review said it took them 2 hours to assemble with 2 people. I did it by myself. I'm short, I'm 5'1", and it took me 40 minutes if you don't count my bathroom break. If you do, I know, 43 minutes. So here it is, and I will show you how the cats react to it after I put it in the cat room, but first I need to get back to work. This was my lunch break, and it was time well spent. But yeah, I think this is fun. I can't wait. They're gonna love it. I hope they're all gonna be on it at the same time. There's room, kind of. Some of them are kind of big. Aloha. Olena. This is Isaac.
And we are the TravelBugBite.
We met in Prague, Czech Republic.
Lived in Shanghai, China.
New York and Rhode Island, USA.
And now we live in Hawaii.
We've traveled from Tibet to Puerto Rico.
Harbin to PP.
And drove cross country with Smiley in our Tesla Model 3.
Subscribe to follow our adventures. If you liked our video, don't forget to click the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Check out our videos from all around the world and let us know what you'd like to see next.
Thanks for watching!